Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be learning more about measuring. So, last week we talked about length and height. So, length measures how long, and height measures how tall or short something is. This week we're going to be talking about capacity and weight. So, capacity tells us how much something can hold. So, like a cup, how much can it hold? Or this kind of cup, how much can it hold? And weight tells us how much something weighs, how heavy or light it is. So we use tools like this for measuring the weight. So we're going to look at this slideshow that we looked at last week, and we're going to look at the two pages that are talking about capacity and weight. So capacity, like I said, is how much something can hold. So I have a measuring cup, and I have a vase and a coffee cup and just a regular cup. So I also have some examples of different containers here. So I have this coffee cup. I have this Dixie cup. I have this coffee cup, and I have this water bottle, and I have this flower vase. So all of these containers are different sizes. If I put them next to each other, we can see the difference between them. And we're going to talk about how to figure out which of these holds the most amount of liquid that we put inside of them. So let's look at these two. So if I have this coffee cup, which would be close to the size of this coffee cup, and I have a Dixie cup, this one right here. This one is like a Dixie cup. Which of these do you think holds the most liquid? The coffee cup. It's very, very big. It is much bigger than this Dixie cup. This Dixie cup cannot hold very much water. Now let's look at our weight slide. So weight, we use a balance scale. That's what this is. Mine is a little bit different than that one. But this is my balance scale. See how it moves from up and down on each side? So I can use a balance scale to help me measure different things to see how heavy or how light they are. So I have a picture of an elephant and a picture of a mouse. Which of those things do you think is the heaviest? An elephant, of course. An elephant is huge. A mouse is very, very small. But the way we use our balance scale here at school is we put objects in the cups on either end of my scale, and we can have it go up and down depending on how many cubes or objects we put in there. So I'm going to put some cubes on this side of my scale. So I put 3 cubes on this side. It's going down because it is heavier than my side that has 0 cubes in it. So this is heavier. This is lighter. The lighter object or the lighter side is going to go up. The heavier is going to go down. So remember that when we're working on weight this week. If you were looking at a balance scale, the heavier object is going to go down and the lighter one is going to go up.